In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into some text or a shape. No doubt you've seen this technique used many times for clothing, advertising, and artwork. This is a very simple process and only takes a few minutes. But before we get into it, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. As you can see, I've typed out the words New York here, and what we're going to do is we're going to force an image of the New York City skyline into these letters. And to do that, I'm going to grab this JPEG over here off my desktop, just drop it right in the middle of the artboard. I'm going to go ahead and resize it, holding down Alt so it expands from the center. You want the image to cover all the entire area of the text that you're going to force it into, and you'll see why in just a second. Go ahead and hit enter, and very important, this layer needs to be on top of the layer you're going to force it into. All you got to do is mouse right here, don't click, just have your mouse right about here, hold down Alt, and very slightly start to bring the mouse down, and see that little square popped up with the arrow pointing down? That's what we want. Once you get that, see right there, once you get that, just click, boom, right inside of it. And if you have the image layer selected, you can reach in and grab it and move it around and position it where you want it. You know, if that looks good to you, then that's fine. You know, it's completely up to you. Okay, and real quick, I'll go ahead and show you how to do it with a shape. It's the exact same process. White artboard background, shape tool. Let's go ahead and make it black. Just grab the ellipse shape tool. Drag out an ellipse here. Okay, there you go. Black. There. Alright. Move tool, grab it. You know me, I need to make sure that it's nicely centered. I'm gonna grab the same JPEG over here. Drop it. Resize it. There you go. Hit the move tool just to set it. Hold down Alt, hover over there, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it with a vector. It's the exact same way, actually, it's the same process. Typed out love here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up Illustrator, grab this vector file, drag it from Illustrator over to Photoshop, let it go. Takes a second with vectors, and hold down Alt, size it, there you go. Hit enter, and again, as long as this layer is above the layer you're forcing it into, all you have to do is hold down Alt while you mouse over here, and you see the little thing pop up. It's a little square with the arrow down. Boom, like that. Very, very easy. One thing I would like to mention is sometimes it makes the letters a little bit hard to read, and if that's the case, then you may want to add a stroke to the outside of it. And if you see, I just clicked on the stroke button, I already had the stroke applied. It was just a slight red stroke, very thin one, 8 pixels, pretty thin there. But you know, you can make it bigger or smaller. I tend to like them to be smaller when I'm doing this. It just shows off the actual image that is inserted into the text better. I've even done it on the New York one over here if you want to see it. There you go, very nice. But that's it. Like I said, very short but very, very useful. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and again, if you found this useful or helpful, please click the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the like button too while you're at it. If you have any questions or comments or any of your own tips or tricks or things that you want to see me do in the future, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.